Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota. Just coming at you with an update. I just trenched my final line, and now I'm gonna go staple it and then cover it. But I'm just gonna take you for a walk along the line just to show you how I trenched it, and then I'll probably be done with this in about 20 minutes. Here we go. And see, starts here. Trench all the way down. And we end right there. And if you can see, I can't even tell there's any hoses out here. Everything's been buried. We're looking good. Just about finished here with this. And then I got to there's the dig raised bed system. Now we're going to, once I bury the lines, then we're going to run this PVC pipe underground here to come out over there, and then the other end will come out over here, obviously. And the reason I'm doing that is because this is a high traffic area, so I want to protect these water lines with all the traffic coming in and out. But there you go, that's that. And I will be back a little later with another update after I get this all straightened up, and I'll do some before and afters on this trench for this long tube here, the PVC pipe. But anyway, it's only about it's not even 10 o'clock yet. I've already got a lot done, so gonna have a very, very productive day. See you, my friends. Grow food, not lawns. See you.